Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Tuesday the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, and I am on Waterloo Road and I'm outside the new ambulance hub because a few people have asked me for an update. I mean, I filmed the demolition of the old building and the actual building of this new building, and somebody asked me for an update, so here it is. You can see there's actual ambulances parked there in the ambulance parking bay, and here there's cars parked here in what must be staff parking. There's the sign, and here is the hub itself. So we're going to have a little quick walk around. Little paramedic car there. Let's get a good look at that. We've got disability parking at the front there, right by the main entrance. That's the door I'm looking at now. I'm not actually sure it's fully operational yet, because there are a few ambulances parked there. There was a cherry picker parked further down, but there's all these charges here and this bay is empty, so I'm not sure it's entirely functional and open right now, but it's definitely, building looks finished and it's probably about to be fully functional and open, but we are going to walk all the way around. So this is just going to be a quick video, but I am going to show you the whole building. That's the side of it. This is the west side, that's facing Farm Foods and facing the promenade. So we can see that this side is mainly empty. Well, it's all empty. Those doors there look like where the emergency ambulances will speed out of with their sirens blaring. Sure, but let's take a look around there, like that. My battery light's flashing, I forgot to change my battery. So if it goes off suddenly without a goodbye, that'll be the reason. So we'll take a look through this gate at the back. I can see a skip out there. Looks like they're just finishing clearing up. So it's like 99% ready. I'm sure it's fully functional inside. But there, we can have a look. If we put the camera there through the gate, we can get a good look from the back. So yeah, there you go. That is going to be it for this video, because I was asked for an update on the ambulance hub. Somebody did want to see the finished product, so happy to help out. There it is. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. As always, please hit the like button, maybe watch another video that you'll see suggested on the screen any second now. And I shall see you all very soon in the next one. Goodbye.